Have you ever thought, what if I combine Cialis and Viagra for better results? You are not alone. But is it safe or seriously dangerous? Today let us break the silence and find out exactly what doctors say about this powerful combo. Cialis and Viagra are two of the most popular erectile dysfunction medications in the world. Cialis is known for its long-lasting effects, up to 36 hours. Viagra, famous for quick action within 30 to 60 minutes. But here is the question, can you use them together to boost performance, or is that just a myth with major health risks? Let us get real. Both drugs are PDE5 inhibitors. Combining them can dramatically increase the risk of low blood pressure, dizziness or fainting, chest pain or heart strain, and severe headaches or vision issues. Doctors generally do not recommend using both together, especially without supervision. Mixing these meds is like doubling the dose. It is not stronger, it is more dangerous. Some men try this combo hoping for faster onset and longer duration, or relief from performance anxiety. But the science does not support any extra benefit, and side effects can ruin your night or worse, send you to the emergency room. Want better results? Try switching to daily low-dose Cialis, 2.5 to 5 milligrams. Use Viagra or Cialis individually, based on your need. Address root causes like stress, testosterone, and lifestyle. Also, always consult your doctor before experimenting with medications. Combining Cialis and Viagra might sound like a shortcut, but in reality, it is risky and not medically advised. Play smart. Choose safety over hype. Like this video if you learned something and subscribe for more expert-backed men's health content.